In this video, I'll show you how to trade Bitcoin on Coinbase using the Coinbase app. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. To get started, locate the Coinbase app on your phone and open it. Once the app loads, you'll land on the home screen, where you can see your portfolio overview and market information. From here, you can either tap directly on the Bitcoin option if it's visible, or use the search bar at the top to search for Bitcoin by typing BTC. When Bitcoin appears in the results, tap on it to open the Bitcoin details page. Here you'll see the current price, recent price movement, and other market data. To start trading, tap the buy button, enter the amount of Bitcoin, or the amount of money you want to spend, review the transaction details, and confirm the purchase to complete the trade. After you've bought Bitcoin, you can manage it from your portfolio. Tap on the portfolio section in the app, then select Bitcoin from your list of assets. If you want to send your Bitcoin to another wallet or another Coinbase user, tap on the transfer option, choose Send, enter the recipient's wallet address, or select a saved contact, enter the amounts you want to send, and confirm the transaction. That's how you trade Bitcoin on Coinbase, by buying and sending Bitcoin directly through the app. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech-savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.